Ray, and I am so excited to be celebrating National Family Meals Month with the FMI Foundation. Every week, we will be bringing you a delicious cultural recipe from Common Bites for you to share with your family and your loved ones. So today, we're going to be making oven-baked fried chicken with honey mustard sauce, collard greens, and cornbread to help raise awareness of how important it is to enjoy foods at home with your family. So let's get started and put together our delicious meal representing the soul food cuisine of America. We're going to start with our oven fried chicken. So we're going to first start with classic breading. So you start with seasoned whole wheat flour, egg wash, and then whole wheat breadcrumbs. We're going to first dip our chicken breast or chicken tenders in the seasoned flour. Then you shake off the excess. Then you dip it in the egg. And then you dip it in the breadcrumbs, again shaking off the excess. You're going to put it on a baking tray and cook that all up in the oven, 350-degree oven. Depending on the thickness of your chicken, should take approximately 15 minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and make some collard greens. So here we start off with a little bit of lentils that you're going to cook in vegetable broth. After the lentils are cooked, you're going to go ahead and add your collard greens and some onions, a little bit of seasoning, and these will get cooked in approximately 30 minutes. Finally, it's our cornbread muffins. So we're going to mix some cornmeal with some flour. Then in a separate bowl, you mix your wet ingredients, which are your eggs and your milk. Then you combine that all together with some fresh corn kernels, and you bake that in muffin molds or a muffin tin for about 15 to 20 minutes. And our soul food cuisine meal is just about done. All we need is our honey mustard sauce. Okay guys, this honey mustard sauce is the easiest recipe to remember off the top of your head. You don't even need to remember the quantities because it's equal quantities of each ingredient. So we first start with some fat-free yogurt. So this is whole natural fat-free yogurt. Then you add in equal amounts of mustard. So I'm gonna go ahead and spoon in all of that mustard. And this is looking so good already. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. And then equal amounts of honey. So that's all it is. Fat-free, plain yogurt, mustard, and honey. And now we're gonna mix it all together. And we're going to mix this all together till it looks totally homogeneous, and that is how easy it is to make honey mustard dressing. So this is what we're going to have with our chicken tenders, but you could use this honey mustard sauce for so many different things. Now, who can resist some oven-baked fried chicken with collard greens and cornbread? Thank you so much for joining me today as we share the importance of eating together as a family with the FMI Foundation. All of the recipes are available on the Common Threads digital portal at commonbites.org. Learn more about the Family Meals Movement at fmi.org. And remember, stay strong with family meals.